Hey there everyone, Manish here, back again with another video. Today in this video I will be show you what is exactly media encoder is, Adobe Media Encoder, why you are require this media encoder and how you can download from internet and how you can set up in your machine. So let's open up my Premium Pro. As you can see, if I have to be export a file, I have to be waited for doing another things for the exporting. So what the media encoder do is it add in the quiz. If you try to add quiz right now, it will show that the media encoder is not installed in your machine. So you have to be install media encoder. For that thing, the media encoder is needed. So I will be show you how you can download from the internet. So I think so most of you know what exactly torrent is. If you don't know what is torrent is and how you can download from internet, I have created another video for the torrent also. And if you don't know how to run the torrent, you will be see this video. And if you know how to use the torrent and how you can download it, then it's fine. So what exactly I have inside this folder, I have already a zip file that I have already downloaded from the internet from using the torrent. What you have to do is just double click this and add to the torrent. It has a 2 GB file, so it will be automatically downloaded up. So I have already downloaded up, so I will be double click on this file and open up into this zip. Okay, open from the zip. So I have to be open from the zip. So I will be provide a torrent file. You have to be just go to this link that I will be provide in the description to go to my blog. In the blog you will be find a link. You have to be just open up the link and you are ready to go. Okay, then you have to be just download it, and then I will be show you how you can set up Adobe Encoder. So yeah, now as you can see that the DMG file has been downloaded. So what you have to be do is just double click on this file and it will be open up. It will be take some time. Okay, it will be opening up. Sometime the file will be encrypted because this will be using torrent, so that's why. Okay, as you can see, Adobe Media Encoder CC 2019. So what you have to do is